Apple CEO Tim Cook is giving customers a double dose of the iconic iPhone with two new models: the next generation iPhone 5S and a lower-end iPhone 5C that's about half the price, starting at just $99.
This allows us to serve even more customers.
Apple says the phones are faster, have more features, better cameras, and come in a wider selection of colors.
And it is the gold standard in smartphones.
Apple is also offering a new security feature in its higher-end iPhone 5S. Rather than entering in a password, you can now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone or make online purchases at the iTunes Store. What does Apple need to prove to consumers?
Well, I think it needs to prove that it still has some of that Steve Jobs magic.
LA Times tech reporter Chris O'Brien says Apple has struggled to keep up the brand's wow factor since the death of its CEO Steve Jobs 2 years ago.
It's a little more than 6 years since the first iPhone was released. And what we've seen, especially over the last year or two, is that the competition has gotten much more intense.
The iPhone now holds just 13% of the global smartphone market. Android phones dominate with a 79% share. Apple is hoping that cheaper phones and new designs will help change that. Bigat Chaban, CBS News, Cupertino, California.